How to find the best available and working promo codes for discount on Amazon Prime. So for this, I will open my browser and search for Amazon promo code, and you have to click on the first website, that is couponfollow.com. At first, you will see listed this type of Amazon promo codes. First one is save with 80%, save 20%, next is save 35%, then 50%. There are different and unique type of promo codes all available at once. To view this, you have to click on the view QR or promo option, and you can simply redeem it at Amazon India. So click on this blue button to get the promo code, and you can copy the promo codes just from this menu. Also, you can go to the official website and directly on the payment page you can apply these codes. So the codes are subject to availability. If they are in under 19 July, they will work. Thank you so much for watching this video.